got that going. Woo! Alright guys, so as you saw, I just uploaded my vlog. Right now, I am boiling some water for some hard-boiled eggs. You're probably wondering why my kitchen light's not on. Well, update, when I came home last night, I flipped the switch and the lights burnt out. So, gotta get some more light bulbs. Yeah. Ever happened to you? It's like, yeah, turn the light on. Nope. Alright, so, I'm gonna walk out real quick and I go to my car and get something out of it. Look at it. A nice chill breeze, not so bad, not so bad. But not so bad. I think I'm also gonna move my car up. I'm all the way back there. I'm gonna move it up there so I don't have to walk as far when I do gotta leave, so I don't have to rush out a minute early or whatever. Because I'm lazy right now, I don't feel like walking. So, have you ever been in a hotel? My favorite thing is the stairs and walking around barefoot. So, when I'm here at the condo, as you can see, stairs, and it feels so nice. I just love hotel stairs. Just walking up, running down. I don't know, just, it feels kind of comfy. Which is, you know, not a bad thing. Gotta have me some sweet tea. Unsweet tea is good as well, but it really depends on how it's made. Like, if it's just gonna be, obviously it's healthier, but if it's just gonna be like bitter, like, you know, it's just kind of dumb, you know what I mean? Like, so if there is some unsweet tea out there, that sucks. I do like I'm a big tea drinker. Like, so like tea bags, always mix two. I have to have like at least 2 different flavors, or else I most likely will not drink the tea itself, you know? But it's good. I mean, sometimes I put sugar in it, sometimes I don't. But a lot of good flavors out there. Alright guys, I'm in my car, ready to leave. Should be a pretty good day. Not super busy with John, but anyways, not sure what's going down tonight. We shall see. Alright guys, work is over. I'm really not sure what I got going on tonight. Maybe a little hunting. I want to find some new spots, maybe go to some old spots. I don't know, maybe I'll meet up with someone. I honestly did not think this over. I was kind of thinking about going bowling, but I'm alright. I actually did go bowling with John earlier today, because he bowls every Thursday, but this time I bowled with him, and we're working on him bowling without the ramp. So yeah, I don't know, the lanes we you know, where we go, they weren't the best, so my score was low. Like, it'll like curve like at the last second towards the pins. I don't know, you know, you just gotta get used to the lane sometimes. But anyways, enough rambling on. Alright, first stop, I went to Rofo to get some fried chicken. No, not really. But I am at Rofo, checking out the stop, and I'm gonna go get a DRI and K, get one for Mel. I'm just gonna randomly go to her house. She's working on her car, so I'm just gonna show up. Yeah, leave it when I come up. She didn't even reply to my message.
I was replying. I was in the middle of replying, and then my phone still's doing that thing where it doesn't ring.
Listen, tell the viewers what really happened.
That's what really happened.
Let me do a cut, and then you're back with Melissa. Come close.
That's where I'm headed.
Come close.
I am close.
Closer.
I am close.
Fine, I'll get closer. Women, you had your day. I mean, we have a Shinjitsu black belt, I see. Yeah. Oh, were you in class?
Oh, let's be like Hannah.
Oh, yeah, Hannah. Melissa's gonna dump it all over the seat.
Yeah, but I'll do it in your car.
No, you won't.
Because I will.
Well, I'll eat them all. Well, guess see you around since Shivery's dead. Alright. We are at Salvo Auto Parts. Melissa has to pick up some brake pads, and I don't know if she has to pick up anything else. But, yeah. So, Asimo, tell me about your experience in the Salvo Auto Parts of the gods.
Well, I wouldn't say they're gods, but for the most part, they are.
Yeah, you took too long.
It depends on who's helping. I think there's one guy, Brian or Byron.
Brian Byer.
Not sure. He's pretty good.
Now we go back. Yeah, I was gonna come out here anyways, but I'm leaving this house of doom. Say goodbye to the viewers. In the arms of
a monkey.
I don't see any monkeys.
Right here. Yeah.
There you have it.
What does a monkey sound like, Joel?
There you have it, folks.
Yep.
She says I look like a monkey. You know what that means?
Yeah.
Oh well, can you give us a squeak? Or do we have to set? Do we have to set the cheese out?
Nope, I'm not a mouse.
Our peanut butter. Comment down below what you think this mouse eats: cheese, peanut butter, grapes, nuts, and berries, just like a little church mouse or whatever they call it. I mean. Well, this is my final stand.
We're getting torn up here!
We're working on it, just hang on. Cooper's en route to the Malta's main gun battery.
I don't know if that's gonna be enough!
Cooper, hurry!
The jump drive is ruptured! Abandoned ship!
We lost the Braxton! Stay the course! On it, just hang on. Cooper's en route to the Malta's main gun battery.
I don't know if that's gonna be enough!
Cooper, hurry!
The jump drive is ruptured! Abandoned ship!
We lost the Braxton! Stay the course!
sight.
Cooper, stand by. The 6-4 are coming aboard.
There are still anti-air cannons active on the deck of the Malta. They must be disabled from the bridge before we can approach.
We're on it.
Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up the vlog for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. No, I didn't do as much as I was gonna do, but I hope you enjoyed it regardless. But as always, if you liked what you've been seeing and you're ready, hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment and let me know what you think, what you want to see. I got different stuff coming up hopefully soon, but if there's anything you want me to do, you know, just leave a comment. And I will see you guys around.
Let's get it then.